In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert calendar invites into marketing emails in HubSpot. By the end, you'll have a clean, clickable booking link in your email that lets contacts grab time on your calendar and automatically receive a calendar invite. We'll start inside HubSpot by building the booking experience your recipients will use. Go to Sales, then Meetings, and choose Create Scheduling Page. This is where you define what someone sees when they try to book with you. Give your meeting a clear, action-oriented title so people know exactly what they're scheduling. Pick a duration that fits your workflow. Shorter options like 15 or 30 minutes tend to get more bookings, and set your availability so the page only shows times that work for you. HubSpot pulls from your connected calendar to prevent double booking, and it handles time zones for the visitor, which keeps the process smooth. Now customize the experience. Add a concise description that explains the purpose of the meeting and what attendees should expect. This reduces no-shows and sets the right context. Set buffer times to avoid back-to-back calls and give yourself a moment to prep or take notes. Then add booking questions to gather the essentials you need in advance. Think topic, goal, or anything that helps you tailor the conversation. Keep questions lightweight so you don't create friction. Only mark something required if it's truly necessary. When your scheduling page looks good, click Save and copy the meeting link URL. This link is the key. It routes each recipient to your live availability, and once they pick a slot, HubSpot sends confirmations and calendar invites automatically. Keep the link handy. You'll paste it into your email next. Head to Marketing, then Email, and create a new email or open the one you want to update. In the editor, write a clear call to action. Phrase it in a way that communicates value and next steps, such as book a call or schedule your demo. Highlight that text, click Insert Link, and paste the meeting link you copied. If you prefer, you can apply the same link to a button or a prominent piece of text so it stands out. Make sure the link text is descriptive rather than a raw URL. That tends to build more trust and improve clicks. Align the call to action with your email's goal and place it where it's easy to find. Near the top and again near the close often works well. That's it. You've created a booking link in HubSpot and placed it right in your marketing email, so recipients can schedule with one click and receive the calendar invite automatically.